Air conditioning systems. Comfort and energy efficiency depend on a well-designed AC system. Proper installation and maintenance are critical. The design of the AC system must be chosen by a professional who will choose between central AC, split units, ducted or ductless systems based on your home's layout. AC units and installation costs vary high. Factor in long-term savings from energy-efficient systems. For execution, you need to hire HVAC professionals for installation. And in the future, you need to regularly clean filters and make the needed repairs. Follow us on our social media platforms and visit our website blog at www.buildingslead.com. Enjoy building!